What are you?
Ini Nasi Goreng Ayam.
Oh, Nasi
Nasi
Goreng.
Goreng Ayam.
Okay, Nasi Goreng Ayam.
Nasi Goreng Ayam.
What's your name?
Name Rohit.
Hey, where you from?
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. My name is Azzahra. Azzahra. And I'm going to review the food processes in the restaurant. Hi. Hi, how are you? What's your name? Nice to meet you. How long have you working here? Too long? So, where are you from?
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh.
Okay, I see.
Making?
Ini Nasi Goreng Ayam.
Oh, Nasi
Nasi
Goreng.
Goreng Ayam.
Okay, Nasi Goreng Ayam.
Nasi Goreng Ayam.
Looks so beautiful. Yeah.
This is one of the local restaurants that is known as the very best service and had a lot of Malay food cuisines over here. You can choose either is Nasi Goreng Ayam, Nasi Lemak, Mee Goreng, and other things like biryani, mutton. This is the price is cheap as well.
Ini ayam sambal.
Ayam sambal.
Ikan kari. Ini ikan masala. Ini kambing.
Kambing.
Ini sayur kopi, sayur kacang. Ini hati lembu.
Oh,
Ini asin. Ayam rendang.
yeah. This one?
Ini beef.
Beef.
Lembu masak kicap.
Oh, there.
Ini ayam goreng.
Ayam goreng.
Ikan
Which?
goreng.
Ikan goreng. Okay.
Okay.
Alright. What is the name of the restaurant?
This restaurant Azzahra.
Azzahra. Alright. So what is the opening time and the closing
This
time?
shop open 24 hours.
24 hours. Wow. 24/7.
You can come when you want to come.
Oh, just come. Okay. So what is the location?
Jalan Jelawat 1.
Jalan Jelawat 1.
Kuala Lumpur.
Kuala Lumpur, right? So what are you selling? What are you selling?
We sell biryani, we sell fried rice, we sell roti canai, everything we sell. You just ask what you want.
Malay
we can make
cuisine.
it.
Malay cuisine.
Yeah.
Yes.
You just
And what
ask.
is the best seller here?
Best seller nasi ayam penyet.
Yeah. So can you speak Malay version? Malay version for always. Yeah.
What you want me to?
Yeah. That same thing, but in Malay.
Dekat sini kita orang ada jual nasi biryani, nasi lemak, nasi ayam, macam-macam lah kita orang ada jual dekat sini, roti canai. Dah cuma cakap nak masak apa kita orang boleh buatkan. Masakan panas, masakan Thailand semua kita orang ada. Anything else?
Best seller.
Best seller dekat sini nasi ayam penyet. You must try it.
Price.
Okey lah, harga dekat sini semua berpatutan, harga mampu bilik, boleh datang.
One question. How many questions I can ask you?
Just one question.
I would like to ask you many questions.
One question.
One question.
I'm busy man in this.
A busy man. Okay. If in case of it have a lot of customer come here, how do you deal with it? Yeah.
I'm one day, I do everything. I can make water, I can cook, I can make roti canai, everything I can make.
Did you receive any complaint from customer? No.
No, I don't have any complaint.
Any complaint? No.
Your customer here is very good.
They are very happy
They are very happy what we do.
with the price.
So,
Yeah. The price, the environment, the food taste, everything.
everything under control.
No complaint. No complaint at all. Wow, this is a good
If
service.
they complain, I kick them out.
Okay.
Yes, I can. If they complain, I kick them out. So they're scared to complain.
Good.
I found another stop.
What's your name?
Man,
Man. Nice to meet you.
yeah,
Where you from?
I am from Indonesia.
Huh? Indonesia. Okay. Do you miss your family? Did you travel to your country? It's okay, you can speak Malay.
Roman,
Yeah.
no English.
It's fine. Tak boleh. Okay. Yeah, how are you? Yeah, what's your name? Ane. Okay. Where are you from? India. Yeah, but okay. Yeah, this is the food.
How to make it? Okay, let me see.
What are you making? Oh, okay. Maggi chicken.
Adding some veggie, then Maggi noodle. Then sauce, chili sauce. Oh, have eggs in the bottom as well. Except noodle, everything is healthy. Veggie a lot and the eggs it looks so nice. He just added sambal.
How much for it? 8. This one 8. Maggi chicken.
Wow, he has the beautiful skills. He's smoking over there. And it smells so good. He used 2 spoons to stir the Maggi to make us all the seasonings is spread equally through the noodle and everything. Look beautiful. Okay, let's go for next dishes. Another type of Nasi Goreng Ayam. He cut the chicken into many small pieces and adding in the pan. Adding some veggie such as like carrots and soya bean, and then rice, the fried rice, and stir it well. Now he's seasoning by adding some sugar, some sauce, fish sauce. Then stir it again. He keeps stirring until it's mixed well. Then he transfers the rice into another bowl. He finishing off the work by washing the pan. And another take the order and then put it in the plastic.
Wow.
He is actually saying like menu is not the same for the whole day. Morning time they make the roti canai. Afternoon time so they make this one chicken.
Chicken. Anchovy. Oh, sambal. Okay. So your family here or still in your country? Your family is still here.
My family no here you stay. My
Yeah.
family. 2 sons.
2 sons.
Already graduated. 1 2.
Who you miss the most?
My wife.
The one. Not your children.
Yes.
So he said that he missed
Yes.
his mother and then his children.
My wife also.
Yeah.
I thinking my
Yes.
wife and son.
Yes. Yeah.
I have my big brother. Second.
Okay. So how long have you been working here?
Yeah, 1
1 year.
1 year.
1 year. Oh. So where you live now?
Same.
Oh. Okay. I see.
They all actually live in.
Oh, same apartment. I see. I would like to ask you a funny question. Michael's mom has 3 sons. Alright. So the name is yesterday, today. So what is another name of the third son?
ये कह रही है कि एक बंदा है उसका नाम माइकल है माइकल माइकल की माँ के 3 बच्चे हैं
Yeah.
एक का नाम आज एक का नाम कल है तीसरे का नाम क्या
Sure, sure. Thank you. Thank you. Nice to meet you.
now he understands the question
He understand. Okay.
he means like the Michael's son the day after tomorrow
The day after tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
You mean tomorrow?
tomorrow
Today.
today tomorrow
Yesterday.
yesterday एक का नाम माइकल खुद है माइकल की माँ के 3 बच्चे हैं एक माइकल खुद है कल और परसों
Yeah. Michael. You can... Right. Nasi lemak?
Nah, ini herai.
Yeah, just right.
Apa masak kita? Nasi putih.
Oh, nasi putih.
Nasi putih. मैं पीन दिया वे आया
Oh.
makan itu
Oh, makan, makan. Oh, you want to eat? Oh, he want to eat. So let's leave him alone. Thank you everyone for watching. And hopefully that you enjoy the video. If you like the videos, please like and also comment on the below that what you want me to do the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Thank you and bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.
ओके बाय बाय कितना साल है 6 साल हो गया
Thank you. Bye bye.